Hi, it's Gila Nehemia. It's day 10 of Self Affirmations inspired by Louise Hay. I'm Gila Nehemia. I'm founder of Wild Writers Heal. You can find out more about me at gilanehemia.com. I have been doing this now for 10 days. It's actually been 10 days. It's quite amazing that we've been doing this for quite some time. Today, we're talking about being grateful. So I was actually going to say something like, thank you for my breath, thank you for the roof that under, above my head. But I decided that actually it's very powerful to say thank you of something that you're desiring. And I'm going to give you some suggestions, but I'm going to ask you to come up with it as I was saying yesterday. So thank you for deep, vulnerable, true love in my life. Thank you for unlimited abundance. Thank you for allowing me to follow my intuition and trusting the unseen. Say whatever resonates with you. Change my words to really fit your specific experience. Say it in the mirror. Look very deeply into your eyes when you say it in the mirror. Really feel it. The reason why I decided to do this today was when we begin to visualize something that we're truly desiring, and saying it is going to help us to do that. And when we really feel it and say it with feeling, that helps to come into our consciousness, into our auric fields, into our existence, into our physical reality, because we really begin to believe it. And this whole idea, why do we do these affirmations? Because we have a lot of limiting beliefs, right? We have a lot of patterns, and we have a lot of doubt that I mentioned earlier in previous episodes and previous affirmations that you can listen to. And so we have, what we're invited to do is truly believe that we can have it. So the more that you can actually begin to visualize yourself there, or maybe it's right here. Maybe it's just saying, I am so grateful. Taking the time to say that you're grateful for everything that you have, of course, is always important. And also being grateful for the things that you're desiring, and knowing in full faith, full trust, full surrender that this is also happening. XYZ is also happening in your life. You're moving into that beautiful house. You've got that wonderful car. You're in the most beautiful relationship, in your life, and that is with yourself. Whatever that is, like, allow yourself to go there. Allow yourself to meditate on your own words. I find sometimes listening to someone else's words is super soothing and relaxing. And I also find listening to my own words, prophesizing. So I'm inviting you into the power of words. This is my work. The power of our own words not only help our present issue, predicament, challenge, whatever you want to call it, it also helps to prophesize what will be. So I'm inviting you into the prophecy of creating that with you through these affirmations, especially the one today, because we are now, 10 is a powerful number, 1 is a powerful number, beginning is a powerful number. It is the half moon. I was outside earlier, so it's a half moon today. The full moon is coming next week in Aries, which is very powerful, the beginning of the zodiac cycle. So let's begin to step into that power. Do that with me today. Again, thank you for letting me have everything that I desire. Thank you for allowing me to consciously realize what my soul wants me to experience in this lifetime. Whatever that is for you, or you can make it very, very tangible. Thank you for letting me have a beautiful day ahead. It can be something really simple, and it can be something, fantastic. Allow yourself to have it. If you're resonating with me, I invite you to connect with me personally. You can go to my website at gilanehemia.com. I have a group program and personal mentoring programs, and I'm enrolling now. Or conversely, you can send me an email at gilanehemia.com and give me some feedback about how this is going for you. And if you're just enjoying this content and you'd like more after the 30 days, I'm inviting you to donate $100, and there will be a link in the video details. So thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate you. We are together creating a new vision for the planet. As we heal ourselves, we heal the planet, and we heal everyone around us just by really stepping into our own desires and releasing negative beliefs. Thank you so much for listening to me. Namaste, Shanti, Shalom. Have a beautiful day, night, or evening wherever you are.